Yeah, baby, you are heaven.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every angel. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know.
Mabuhay! Good morning! Thank you for calling room service. This is Dexter Ko. How may I help you?
I would like to order breakfast.
Certainly. Before anything else, ma'am, may I know who's on the other line? And your room number, please?
I'm Gray from room 103.
Thank you, ma'am, for our selection of our breakfast. We have American, Continental, and Filipino breakfast. Which one would you prefer? Alright, ma'am. For your American breakfast, we have the following. Ham with sunny side up egg and sunny side up egg only. Which one would you prefer?
Sunny side up egg with bread.
Which one would you prefer to have in your bread, ma'am? Butter or mayonnaise?
Nothing.
And for your fresh fruits, we have orange, mango, and apple. What would you prefer, ma'am?
Apple.
How about for your juice? We have orange, pineapple juice, iced tea. What would you prefer?
Iced tea.
Alright, ma'am. Would you like to have a brewed coffee?
Yes.
Ma'am, you have already complete set of American breakfast. Is there anything else? If not, may I repeat your order, ma'am? You have ordered sunny side up egg with bread, fresh apple, iced tea, and good coffee with sugar and creamer. Did I take it all correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's all correct.
May I ask, how many people your order is for?
Good for one person.
I take note. How would you like to settle your bill, ma'am? Cash, credit card, or change to your room?
I settle it in cash.
Your bill, ma'am, is 350 pesos. May I know how much your cash for me to bring or on your change?
I have 500 peso bill.
Alright, ma'am. Your order will be served at room 103 after 30 minutes. Please feel free to call the room service. If you have any additional order, thank you for your calling and have a nice day.
Good morning, sir. For room 102, 2 sunny side up egg with ham, bread, sliced apple fruit, iced tea, coffee cup with sugar. Thank you, chef.
Here's the sunny side up egg with bread, and this is the slices of apple.
Room service! Kabuhay, good morning ma'am. I am Lance. Here is your room service. May I come in?
Yes. You may.
Excuse me ma'am. Where would you like to set up your food? Shall I leave it on a tray? Or I set up it on the table?
On the table, please.
Okay ma'am, may I use the laboratory to sanitize my hand? Ma'am, may I present to you your order? Um, this is the main course, the egg and bread. This is the slice of apple for fruit. And for your drinks, it's the cold iced tea and brewed coffee. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to turn on the TV?
Yes, please.
There is. Is there anything else, ma'am?
Nothing.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to present your bill now?
Yes, please.
I received 500 peso bill, ma'am. Here is your fee. Do you have any other request, ma'am?
None at the moment. Thank you, Lance. I have something for you.
Much for your thoughtfulness, ma'am. But we don't have to accept any tips. If you need any assistance, just dial 1. And please let us know what time would you like to come back us for the trade. Thank you very much and enjoy your meal. Have a nice day.